Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in into your BMO Harris Bank account. So follow some simple steps with me. Open your web browser and in the search bar, search for BMO Harris Bank login. And as the search result, you can see in the first option, BMO Harris Bank Online Banking. Click on it. It will redirect you to the login portal of BMO Bank. And over here, enter the user ID of your account. In case if you guys forgot your user ID, you can reset it by clicking here forgot user ID. And once you do that, enter the password of your account. To confirm what you typed, you can click here on the show button. And in case if you guys forgot your password, you can click here forgot password to reset it. And once you do that, click on sign in. You will be signed into your BMO bank account. And if you want to create a new account, you can click here on register to create a new account on BMO bank. So this is how you can log in into your BMO bank account. This was for this video. Hope you guys understand and find our video helpful. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.